waters of the Ganges quench our thirst, nourish the food we eat, and when we die, the river assimilates our ashes. A team of Indian Army veterans who put their lives on the line for the country have taken it upon themselves to revive India's greatest lifeline. Atulya Ganga team is working hard to restore the lost glory of Ganga by undertaking the Herculean first ever successful Mundman Parikrama of Ganga, which means the journey must conclude at the same point from where it began. The Parikrama began on 16th of December 2020 from Chusi in Allahabad in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The team has now reached its first major milestone of 100 days on the 25th of March.
और आज हम रामपुर दियारा में हैं और स्वामी जी के दर्शन और आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए आए हैं।
जीवन की रक्षा यदि करनी है तो संपूर्ण केवल भारतवर्ष और गंगा की ही नहीं, संपूर्ण विश्व की नदियों के स्वच्छता संरक्षण का कार्य विश्व स्तर पर होना चाहिए, ये हमारी अंतर अभिलाषा और आकांक्षा है।
The yatra went downstream first towards Kasipur, Banaras towards the state of Bihar and Patna and Hajipur, then to the state of Jharkhand and then to the state of West Bengal in Mayapur, Kolkata to Ganga Sagar via Hooghly. Then moved towards Haldia and then again went downstream towards Kolkata in Jharkhand, Bihar, in Munger, Bhagalpur, Patna, Buxar, then entered UP in Kasipur through Banaras, Ramnagar, Mirzapur, and today, in 100 days, the yatra has reached Allahabad from where they began the journey. After this, the yatra will move towards the glacier while going through Rishikesh, Haridwar, Tehri and Uttarkashi. They will reach Gangotri, then Kaumukh. Then again, the yatra will undertake one of the toughest routes ever. Yatra will conclude at Chusi in Allahabad from where it began on 15th of August.
सबका साथ हो,
गंगा साफ हो,
सबका साथ हो,
गंगा साफ हो,
सबका साथ हो,
गंगा साफ हो।
The Atulya Ganga project has three objectives of accomplishing the Mundman Parikrama of Ganga. The first one is to follow the Vedic traditions of Mundman Parikrama, reviving the old practice which will increase the tourist activity in rural parts of the country. The villages will become economically stronger, and along with the yatra, tree plantation aimed at minimizing soil erosion is also in focus. This process will continue for 11 years.
इसी पानी को हम पीते हैं, इसी पानी को हम इतना पवित्र मानते हैं और उस पानी को ये नाला दूषित कर रहा है और यही पानी आगे जाकर हरिद्वार में, गंगा जी में, हर की पौड़ी में सब लोग इसी पानी में नहाते हैं। जिस गंगा जी जो हमारी माँ है, जिसके लिए हम इतना कुछ करते हैं, इतना सोचते हैं, इतना पवित्र मानते हैं, उस गंगा जी में ये हो रहा है ऋषिकेश में।
Writer, environmentalist Abhi Mishra says that the idea is to make Ganga's image from a satellite look like it's wearing a garland of trees. The third objective is to gather data on pollution. The team is geotagging all the big drains on the way. There are 15 to 20 people who are always leading the yatra and they're often accompanied by some NCC cadets.
एक तरफ अतुल्य गंगा का फ्लैग है, एक तरफ बिहार एंड झारखंड एनसीसी का फ्लैग है और ये जो बच्चे हैं ये एक रिले के तौर पे इस बैटन को कैरी कर रहे हैं। हमेशा अभी से पटना से आगे हमेशा एक न एक एनसीसी कैडेट इस बैटन को हमारे साथ लेके पूरी परिक्रमा करेगा, तो इनके सूत्र से ये जो बैटन है ये पूरी परिक्रमा कर लेगा।
Nothing binds Indian culture more strongly than the holy Ganga. Yet the current state of our sacred river is a grim reality. But with these army veterans ready to toil, it reignites hope and inspiration.